Welcome back, everybody. This is the Vintage Sewing Machine Garage. You are looking at my Singer 301 light beige sewing machine. And if you look closely, you'll see that there's a part missing. It came this way. I knew it was missing when I got it. And it came with a dry rotted bobbin tire. I have extra tires because of the restoration and overhaul work that I do on lots of machines. So I anticipate having this tire available. If you don't, you can get them online, and they're so inexpensive. Usually, putting something like that in the mail, maybe even, a couple of bucks, it's going to be less costly than the tire itself. But anyway, the reason I'm making the video today is because I told you guys I was looking around, and I basically put in an order. I looked for spare parts, and some of the places online on eBay, they had lots of parts and assemblies. I only really needed the cover here. I already have a glass lens, but I was able to get the least amount to do what I needed to do here. And so I ordered, this is the invoice, and I ordered it from Central Michigan Sewing Supplies. Now I ordered two items. It says Original Singer light cover fits model 301 complete in mocha. I'm sorry, I should have called it mocha. That's what they're calling it here. And it was $19.60. Well, that's not terrible for something like a 301. And then down below, I ordered something else while I was at it because it doesn't really add much to the shipping. And I ordered a new replacement power cord, fits necky, and you'll see the models listed here, including the Supernova and Supernova Ultra, okay? And I'll make another video shortly to let you guys know why I ordered that cord. So let's take a look and see what arrived. So I got everything. These are the bolts that hold this piece on, and there's a little metal clip here. I don't know if you guys can see, and a little screw. And when I go to assemble this, I'll show you guys, and I believe it is connected to the actual lens, if memory serves me right. It's been a while since I took one of the lenses apart, but we will get to the bottom of it. And this, of course, is the piece that was missing. We'll take it out here, and it should match because this is not a reproduction. This is an original. And, of course, the bolts I showed you guys in the bag. And this, once I have installed, here we go. You can look on the back here, and you can see there's a place for the glass lens, which is in this little bag here. It's still wrapped up in here, but it's the little glass piece. This is when Singer was still using glass instead of plastic for their light lenses. Anyway, we'll talk more about how this all goes together in a different video, but I just wanted to kind of show you guys, for $20, I got this missing piece, and I thought it was worth it. And it is the same color. It may look a little different because of, it could be where someone's cleaned the surface, old oil and grease. This piece looks like it came from a cleaner machine, but in beautiful shape. It is original. It is aluminum like the rest of the body. So I'm looking forward to getting all this together for the 301. This is not just aesthetic, it's also practical. When you're sewing, if you're going to use the light, you don't want the light, shining straight into your eyes. That's not a great thing. So we'll take a look at that. And then, for you necky fans, this is a brand new, it was in one of these bags down here. I have since taken it and put it onto and tested it with a foot pedal for the Necky Supernova Ultra. That's the pink machine. Now this is a specific cord. It goes to these certain Necky models, including the one I'm talking about. And I ordered a new one. Now the original cord, which I had inspected, right, looked to be in pretty good shape. In fact, if you look at it, there's no cracks. And I literally did my little test here. I took my thumb and index finger and went all the way down both sides. There were no cracks or areas that looked damaged. And then when I bended it, you can see here's the old one, guys. I'm bending it, and I'm not seeing any cracking, any hairline cracks. So we'll talk in the video when I hook up the new cord, okay, and then I'll show you the old cord, and I'll tell you why would I do that? Why would I order a brand new cord when this cord, which may or may not be the original, was in pretty good shape? And it even has, you can see here, it has its old original plug, or wall plug, I should say. Whereas the new one has, it's clearly a newer plug. It's got the built-in strain relief. It's very nice. But again, I just wanted to show you guys, this is just an example of me ordering parts and why you sometimes need to order cords even though your current cord looks great. And we'll talk about that in the next video. Thanks for watching, folks.